Hey! It's 2011 February 1st. It's the Chicago blizzard. Woo! As you can see, there's snow. It's snowy.
Happens in Chicago.
Jet is stuck in the snow. It looks like there's about, a couple inches in the roads. Clark is a really windy street as it is. There's Alright. Having fun? Oh, there's stuff all over the lens now. Alright, we've abandoned Clark. We're on our way to CVS because we started to make bread and ran out of flour. It's important.
Look at the street. Look how, like, they plowed this and it still looks like this.
Yeah.
Oh man, did the power go out?
No, I don't think so.
Traffic lights aren't working.
Oh. CVS did not have flour, so we're walking to Carnival Foods as they're still open. It's awful out, but we're still having a great time. I'm sure none of that was visible. We successfully got flour. Woo!